limbo for how many months now. I pity the parents. I know now how I feel. I know only few days. They are in limbo for months, my poor fellows.
I mean, there are a lot of unanswered questions at the moment.
A lot of unanswered questions.
A lot of people are speculating also.
Yeah.
But I think, like I also announced, we are here to give you any assistance that you may require.
Lim told us yesterday,
Yeah.
he left all the phone numbers and all that. And even his assistants already instructed them off and on to drop by.
Yes.
And that we...
Yes.
That we are very grateful to the GAP government. At least she has taken the initiative to come and see us. And the few words they speak is a big consolation to us,
Not only, of course, moral support is very important.
very, very important. Otherwise you feel what is happening, there's nobody around me. But one thing, we are very, very fortunate.
Yeah.
I have got a very long string of relations, nephews, nieces, grandnephews.
Friends, neighbors.
All have been coming. From Friday
even friends, people are coming home, I don't know. They hear about the crash, we are staying here, they come over to visit us. I wouldn't know them. I have to ask them, do I know you? They say, no, we heard about the crash. You all are staying here, we come over to pay you a visit. Pay our respects.
He's still young.
Yeah. And actually my grandson, he was very attached to his father. But it so happened the first passport they found intact was my son's.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Really intact. Nothing burned, nothing spoiled and all.
Hope his body also can be found intact like that, like his passport.
Now the only question is getting in the zone.
Very contradicting.
Need any time.
Thanks, Mr.
The
Ram.
number is there.
In fact, shortly, my son's name is actually Sanjid Singh Sandhu. But we had a maid, young girl, about 16, 17 when he was born. Siva, by the name of Siva. That time the Hindi movie, Bobby was running.
Bobby.
Top. So she was so distinct, she has put the nickname Bobby to it. And the nickname has spread all over as Bobby. So very few of my own relations know that he is known as Sanjid Singh. All called Bobby, 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 is it?
They knew it was Sanjid, so when they saw his name, Anna Lucky Husa, then only they know that it was his son.
Can bring back that thing. I think both of us cannot be the same normal people.
Of course.
And Thursday we were both, she was doing most of the cooking, I was helping her around.
He was going to come directly by KLIA.
Yeah, but this is the first time Ram, he demanded that I want to have lunch in the house. Normally every time he comes from KL,
They will stop in Ipoh, have lunch and all.
go around slowly, he'll come. He starts morning, he'll reach here in the evening. But this time he was shocked. He said, no, I will be there for lunch.
What was his favorite food? What were you going to cook?
Dal. He loves dal.
Dals.
So I cook for each one their favorite dish. My grandson loves crabs. My daughter-in-law, that one both my son and my daughter-in-law, they love Thai and prawns. I was supposed to do that.
Supposed to, you have done.
Crabs, yes, I prepared already. My grandson like papadam, so fried everything and can. Only dal no KLIA. So if that one, then it was a complete.
You have to arrive at 6 a.m.
6:10.
Thursday morning.
Friday morning.
Friday morning.
Then you would have come straight.
This morning Singh, I spoke to him, and in fact, first I spoke to my daughter, and then I speak to my grandson, she said yes. Then when I was speaking, I was sobbing away and all that. He came around, Dadaji, don't be sad. Don't worry, your son is gone, but this son is here now. I am taking over from him. I'm going to be the man of the house. Huh? I'll be with you all. For 10 years to say all that.